Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a plan with me using this Glam Planner Harry Potter kit. I really wanted to use it for the end of February because it was my husband's birthday and he loves Harry Potter, but I just ended up using this little sticker here because I did get a cake for his birthday that just said his name instead, but it looked exactly like this, so I wanted to remember that. For those that don't follow my social media or anything, I did take a few days off, like a week and a half, to kind of process things because my grandpa had passed away. It was really hard and very emotional for me because I'm currently 27 weeks pregnant. Well, this is this week, so I'm almost 28 weeks pregnant, and if you know, when you're pregnant, you're just super emotional, and I was very close with him. My Lolo, I love him so much, so I really wanted my baby to meet him. So anyways, I just wanted to show you this spread, and then I will fill it out afterwards. And then this is this week because I'm just kind of doing a little bit of self-care this week and kind of regrouping. And then I wanted to plan next week because we will be doing a really fun release. I wanted to release these pens the last week of when my husband's birthday was, which was February 25th. But yeah, life happens. And so I'm going to be using this kit and I'm going to be showing you these special pens that are releasing this week. So stay tuned. Okay, so I took the pens out, and if you guys couldn't guess, the new pens are Harry Potter, like wizard inspired. My husband, like I said, absolutely loves Harry Potter so much, so I wanted to kind of make something because he loves it so much, and I decided to design these pens. So if you guys aren't aware, my shop is the Angel Shop. I will leave all the links down below. These will be released the second week of March, and this is what they look like. I'll show you all in full detail. So I'll start with this one. This is like the Hufflepuff Inspired Pen, and this is actually my husband's house, and he also loves the Steelers, so I just thought this was absolutely perfect, and I love it. It has black gems and gold little stars inside, and it comes with black hardware. Second off is the Slytherin Inspired Pen, and this comes with silver hardware, and then that nice green barrel, and then green gems inside, like they're like emerald green, and actually glow in the dark stars, because I feel like Slytherins are very sneaky and like, I don't know, like the dark, so I just thought that was very fitting. So if you place this under light and then you see it afterwards, this will glow in the dark. We actually do have quite a few glow-in-the-dark pens, so yeah. Next up is Ravenclaw. That has the beautiful like midnight blue barrel, black hardware, deep blue gems, and silver holographic stars inside. All of our pens also come with our logo on here, so you know that it is an authentic pen. And then last but not least, this one, they were all just so fun to design. And this pen comes with a nice maroon HP inspired color with gold hardware, deep ruby red gems, and then the little glitter in here is supposed to represent fire, which is just what I think about when I think about Gryffindor. They're just very loyal and brave. So I just thought that was a really pretty representation. And then our last pen, so our fifth pen, is our fountain pen. You guys really like these fountain pens, and again, they come with our logo on here. They're really pretty, and then has our signature float in there, and then that's what the fountain pen looks like. So we do have ink refills with all of this. If you want to check out more detail, I will leave a link down below about the planner, which is also the Angel Shop planner, And then all the details about like all of our pens and the ink refills. We do have ink refills in different colors that will be restocking shortly as well. So I'm just gonna jump into the plan with me now. And I really hope that you guys like these new pens. I love designing pens for you guys. And if you have any suggestions, always send me an email at hello@theangelshop.com, and I will gladly take any suggestions. So I am using this mini kit from Glam Planner. I actually used one of her kits. I think it was a full kit though, for our Mean Girls release. So that was the Mean Girls layout, and we had Mean Girls Inspired Pens, which was really, really fun. I don't have any on hand at the moment, but I loved how this turned out. So I want to do something similar with the HP kit. And what I love also about this planner is that it's so versatile. Like you can plan this way if you'd like to use these standard Erin Condren boxes, or you can use Hobonichi weekly kits as well. So that's another weekly kit from Shine Sticker Studio. So I'm just gonna use, where'd my clip go? This clip to hold this together. And I like to lay the dates first, just so I know like where everything's going. So let's actually put the date dots on here so I know what day is what, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I put all the numbers on here, and then now I'm just putting on the dates at the top. So things have been really crazy with my life right now. Currently setting up the nursery. I don't think I've shared the gender of our baby yet, but I will be doing a fun gender reveal next month in April. And I'm really excited. So if you guys want to guess in this video below, you can just guess and tell me if you think baby is a girl or a boy. I already know, but I wanted to do something fun with you guys to guess the gender. So that will be in April sometime next month. Okay. So next up, I think I'm gonna see where I want these boxes to go here, and then put down these half boxes. Yes. Okay, so I know I want to use Dobby because he's just so cute. I love all of this art though. Sorry, that wasn't in frame. This art is so, so cute. I don't know if she still has this in her shop or not, but I've had this for quite a while and I've been saving it, and I wanted to use it for my husband's birthday. Definitely want to use this hairy one for sure. And then our releases. So Tuesday, I'm gonna do the private shopping event. And if you don't know what the private shopping event is, it's basically, if you are a part of our private Facebook group, I always give a certain amount of spots to our Facebook members only. And you get to pick up items and shop stress-free. So I love to do private shopping once a month. So if you want to join that, the link for our Facebook group is down below. So yeah, I think I'm going to do the private shopping on the Tuesday. So I'm just gonna put Harry there. And then the open public will shop. We get to shop on the Wednesday. So which one should we put? I think I'm gonna put one of these down. These half boxes. So I'll write private shopping here. And then the open public on the Wednesday. And also what I notice about this paper is I can lift up stickers, which is nice, and it doesn't rip. So, what should we do? Let's see. Does it always take you guys a while? I'm kind of like that. To pick what sticker you want to put where. So that would be open to the public. Oops. Some appointments for baby. So I have an appointment on Thursday. So let's do something cute. Maybe a little cute little owl. Then I want to use another half box. Monday, I'm going to be prepping for private shopping. Private shopping events are kind of stressful on my end. I love doing a lot of back work that goes into private shopping, so it takes me quite a while to prep for it. So I'm trying to figure out what to put on here. I have one more half box. So I'll probably use this half box here. Let's put the half box up here. And then we have to use this quote for sure. That already looks so cute. And what I think I did for the Mean Girls spread is that I used some washi here. So I love using half boxes. I don't really like these rounded ones because they don't fit in boxes as nicely. But I'm going to use these half boxes. So we'll stick that down here. And then let's see. Oh, the card would be really cool for the weekend. But I really want to use this hat as well. But I want to use Dobby as well. So I think I'm going to use him for Friday. Put the card down. Let's use these checklists actually. Okay, so I stuck the other stickers down. I'm kind of bummed that this isn't lined up, but that's all right. And I really wanted to use a sorting hat, but I think I might save that for later because I want to put some checklists here. I'm trying to see if there's a to-do sign, but I don't see any to-dos on here. Yeah. So let's see how much space I have. Quite a lot of space. You can see how it lines up there. So I might put some washi down first and then the checklist, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is my final layout. I love how it looks. It's so pretty. Here his head is being blocked. It's so pretty though. I love it. I'm just gonna add the little icons because I have massage that day, baby appointment that day, and a few other appointments. So I'll be right back and put that in. Okay guys, so this is my full layout. I love how it looks. I think it turned out so well. I'm gonna fill out everything as I go next week or later on the end of this week. But I'm really happy with it. I love this kit so much from Glam Planner. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them down below. See you later. Bye guys.